Okay. When you need to get your 3 landings. And that's Cessna. Okay. Good luck. You'll be missed.
May the weather treat you well.
Holy shit, this guy's crazy. Run, Forrest, run.
He's trying to get some.
He's
miles
trying.
in.
Hours. That's when you need 3 hours before the test.
That's his.
And here's another one. All right, go for it. What's going on? This guy's crazy. They're trying to get out. Go, 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 go.
Get out of the plane. When the pit stop turns into a life or death sentence.
Oh, yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo! Light show. Oh my God.
He's going
Jeez.
straight into it.
Now he's gonna turn, I hope. Turn. This is like major thunderstorm. Where is he going?
Where's he going?
Oh my God.
I don't think he's turning.
He's gonna get hit by lightning, huh? All right, girls, let's go. This is what not to do.
I'm glad we're not like him.
No.
We're leaving.
No.
Bye.